We just got a thunderstorm, and now I am going for a walk because I want to take some photography. It's going to be quite pretty. Right now it's sprinkling out. It's really nice. Oh my goodness, look at these little fuzzy things. Aren't they cute? They're like little buds on a tree. So it smells really good. This is why I love home so much. This is why I missed being here. And this is why I love spring. It's because everything just seems so much more alive. And it smells so good. Right now it smells kind of like pine and cedar mixed with some earthy... I wish I could describe it better. It's very delicious. Not, I guess delicious isn't the right word. More like therapeutic. Here I am at my grandma's creek. It's so nice here. Here, look. Some little flowers over there. Those are buttercups. This creek is called Mansfield Creek. It leads to the Tittabawassee River, which leads to Lake Huron, I believe. So, yeah. So peaceful back here. And look at all these little flowers. It's nice to know there's something beautiful in this world. Listen to the wind blow. It's so peaceful. There's that one little tree I took a picture of. The zoom was still on. Ooh.